Hello everyone and welcome again in our new video. In today's video we are again gonna learn some really awesome and cool tutorials of how to make stuff from paper only. Moving forward to the first one of today's video, in which we can see and learn how to make a really cute rabbit faces. We will stick the rabbit faces together to make a really cute umbrella which looks really beautiful. Moving forward to the next one of today's video, which is also a really cute one or a beautiful one, we can see and learn how to make this really cool rocket. Moving forward to the next one of today's video, in which we will fold the paper as we have taken in this. We have taken a square shaped paper with floral print on it, and then we have cut a small piece of paper which has flower in it, and then we'll stick this in every one of them, and then we'll stick two sticks, and then we can play with it as a toy. Moving forward to the next one of today's video, in which we have started with paper and glue. We will keep folding the paper as shown in the video until it's totally done, and then we will stick it with glue, and as you can see, it is a toy ready. Moving forward to the next one of today's video, which is a really easy and cute one, which is really easy to make also. We can follow the steps and learn how to make this really cool stuff from paper. We have taken the single piece of paper and then we have cut it into pieces, as you can see and learn from the video, and then we will fold it in different pieces or ways, as we can see and learn from the video. We'll keep following the steps to complete that, as it is a really easy one and it has really few steps to complete it, which makes a really beautiful flower out of it. Moving forward to the next one, we have used a really beautiful material, as it can be said it is a mound bowl, and then we will wrap it with flowers. Moving forward to the next one, we have again taken a square shaped paper which have check printed in it. You can use any kind of paper, as you can see and learn from the video. Then we will stick it into half, and then we can make a really cool toy. Moving forward to the next one of today's video, which is a really easy one. We will draw with a marker, as we can see in the video, a large branch of a tree, as you can see from the video, and then we will make the leaves from pieces of paper, and then we will use some more papers to make some really beautiful fruits. Moving forward to the next one of today's video, in which we can see and learn from the video how to make this cute cartoon, or we can say we'll stick sellotape on it. As you can see and learn from the video, we have used many materials to see and learn, and it is a toy ready. Moving forward to the next one of today's video, we are again using a square shaped paper, and then we will make them both consume each other, and then we'll make it a box type of structure, as you can see and learn from the video, and then we'll put a paper below it and a pen stand is ready. Moving forward to the next one, we have used a surgical mask. We will cut the mask into a circle, and then we will stick it on a sellotape reel, as you can see and learn from the video. It looks really beautiful, as we can follow the steps to complete it. We will keep following the steps as shown in the video to learn how we are doing this, and then we will make a flower by the surgical mask material, and then we will complete it as shown in the video by seeing it. Thank you for watching the video.